Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys one of my favorite videos to do, and it's a affordable luxury designer sneaker haul, or just the sneaker haul in general. But actually, I do have some boots that I want to show you guys. I pretty much say that in every video, but these right here are so cute. I may show you guys, no, I'm gonna show you guys them after these sneakers. Of course, if you know, you know, and if you don't, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, then DM me if you guys want to know more information, have any questions or concerns, you know, stuff like that. Sneaker I want to show you guys are Nike Air Force Ones. These are the Nike overbranding sneakers, and I just love how these look. You got a little swoosh right here too. These are not just like the basic Air Force Ones. These actually have some style and look to it, and I like how the swoosh on it is black, and there's like a mini swoosh right here, which is super cute. And there's a swoosh on the other side too, which I did not know at all, so I'm glad it has one right here, then one right here, and I have some wordings on it. It's like the Nike tag or something on here. Like, these right here are super different to me. They're not that different, but they're still sneakers that you can still pair with anything, or they'll just go with most outfits still. On the back of the sneaker, it just has this, which is definitely one of my favorite parts about the sneaker besides this part, but this part makes it look really unique. Love how they put yellow swooshes on these instead of white swooshes, so you know there's some type of pop of color on it. On the tongue part, it also has that yellow swoosh where it says Nike Sportswear. The bottom looks like the typical Air Force Ones. With these Nike overbranding sneakers, I really like how they just have a pop of color on them. I believe these sneakers came out in 2017 or 2018, so these are like fairly new in a way. These also come in all black, but the swoosh on here is white, and this will be white, and the other side will be white, you know, just opposite colors. You know, I had to get the white because I'm more of a white sneaker type of girl, but I am trying to get into black sneakers. Let me know in the comments which black sneakers I should get. Please put me onto some black sneakers. I'm trying to get hip over here. These are how both of the sneakers look side by side, if you're wondering. And you know, I am going to be trying these on. It wouldn't be a sneaker haul if I didn't try them on. I know for me, every time I watch sneaker videos, I like to see how the sneakers look, or the shoes look, or the heels look on the person's feet. So yeah, this is how they look again. Laces on here just have a black tip to them. The sole part of this sneaker is black as well. Really cute, basic, but yet stylish at the same time. I am a size US 8, and for my European size, I am a size 39. Now I'm going to show you guys the boots that I got, and these are the only pair of boots that I got in this haul, but you guys know how I've been pulling up. I had to get these, and I'm so glad that I did, because these are going to be perfect for the winter time, and hopefully it's gonna be really snowy. If not, I'm gonna be disappointed because I'm trying to walk around in these in the snow. Just get the typical information. These are the boots, and I'm so these are so cute. The heel on this is not even high. It's probably like 2 inches or something, 3, I don't know. It's like pretty short. This is the Louis Vuitton platform desert boot, and it honestly does remind me of a desert in a way. Maybe it's just the color, maybe it's just the suede on here. I'm gonna definitely have to spray these because I don't want these to get damaged because of the snow or the salt that you have to put on the snow. This part has like the leather, and this is leather in a way. The canvas part just says the LV. And yeah, this is gonna go with plenty of outfits that I have. I really want to wear these with a jumpsuit or a one piece jumpsuit, you know, something like this. But yeah, what size did I get in these? I believe I got these in a size, Yeah, 39, so that'll be like a USA. The bottom of them just look like this. It has the LV and it just says made in Italy. I tried these on already, so these are really comfortable to walk in. It's not like you're gonna be stumbling or anything because it does have the platforms and it gives you height because I am 5 feet, so this is gonna make me look 5'3", 5'2", 5'4", something like that. So I'm super excited to wear these. These are so, like, these are everything right here. Honestly, when I first seen these boots, I was like, ooh, these might be a little bit too narrow on me because I do have a wide foot. You can undo these right here so it can be fitted more loosely. So that's what I did. I believe when you wear these too, you can like tie them like this, like all around like this, or you can just tie it in a regular bow, or of course just tuck them in. For this next sneaker, this is a collaboration with Dior and Nike. So let me show you guys the packaging first of all. So before I show you guys this sneaker, I am going to be showing you guys what came with the sneaker. So these are the little tags to them. Each individual shoe comes with their own bag, so I have 2 of these, which is so freaking cool. It came with extra laces and they're white and they do have a silver metal tip to them. I don't feel like taking them out because I honestly just don't feel like it, but let me just take the tip out at least. So it looks like that. The sneakers come with these little dust bags because they do come with like little chains on them, and actually I do have one chain in here. This is one of them. Oh my gosh, this is so tight right here. Like, look how dope this looks. I can honestly put both of them on because I do have another one, but I didn't want it to be looking too much, so I just decided to put that one back. Now let me show you guys the sneaker. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. This is definitely unisex, by the way, and almost all the shoes besides the boots. Yeah, wait, hold up. Yeah, besides the boots, everything that I'm showing you guys in this haul is unisex, so the guys can wear these, the girls can wear these. I just had to get these. Like, these are like, just look at them. Like, I don't even have to say too much because look at them. These are the Dior Air Jordan 1 High sneakers. This is like a gray mixed with blue type of sneaker. Do you see what I see? It's kind of like a gray in a way, but it does have like a tint of blue, so like a tinted blue gray sneaker. And my favorite part about the sneaker, well, my other favorite part about the sneaker is that it has this right here. This makes it look so unique, and it's not even just on one side. It's on both sides of the sneaker. This side of the sneaker has the Air Dior instead of Air Jordan, which makes it even better. I truly love how they did this collaboration because they made the shoe perfect. On the tongue it says Dior Air with the Nike swoosh, and imprinted on the tongue it has the Dior print on it, and I thought that was the coolest thing ever. Instead of like it being not painted on or printed on, it's like the actual imprint of the Dior symbol on the tongue. One of my other favorite parts about this sneaker is that it has this right here on the bottom of the sneaker. Like, this is so freaking cool. And the shoe itself is still really comfortable. Nothing changed about that. And the sneakers does come with this instead of like the normal cardboard, and I love this because it's really good quality. I'm not even done talking about this sneaker because on the other side, on the bottom of the sneaker, it says Dior. Like, what in the world? Like, they literally did their thing with this. Like, this is seriously so perfect. On the inside of the sneaker, it just says Dior, but then you can take these out and put new soles in. It has the Dior logo print on this sole, and it's just a billion out of 10. Like, seriously, I rate these a quadrillion million out of 10. This last sneaker I have to show you guys is a collaboration with a designer brand, but you guys, I had no clue I was gonna get this looking like this. I had no idea whatsoever that I was gonna receive it like this, like a whole suitcase. And I'm like, whoa. I ain't mad though, I ain't mad. This is heavy too, like sturdy. Like this is like, what the heck? But all you have to do is undo it. Like there's like buttons right here to like press it, and then, no, that was not it. Okay, how do I do this? So you squeeze them and like this like flips up, so I can't do it in this angle. Okay, there you go. Then it'll look like this, and it'll just slide out. And I gotta do this on the floor because I literally have no type of room. This is like a legit travel type of suitcase because it does come with this that you can put on the shoe, or you can put this on your luggage. It comes with a little baggie for each sneaker shoe. Then it just says this. Then it comes with another tag that you can, like I said, put on the shoe or put on a suitcase. That's not even just it. It also comes with this strap that you can put on the suitcase or shoebox suitcase, or you can put this on a purse or a travel something, I don't know, but it just says Louis Vuitton imprinted. It comes with this swoosh, this Nike swoosh, and all you have to do is put in here, then it'll latch onto something, the shoe maybe, actual luggage, purse, whatever. Like they really did this right here. It comes with extra laces that says lace it. It says lace it, but it's like lace it, like lace it up. This is the sneaker. It is literally a collaboration with Nike and Louis Vuitton. It has the LV logo, and it's just very unique. On the sides of this, it says this right here in gold, Louis Vuitton for Nike Air Force One 1982. On the inside it just looks like this. On the bottoms it's just brown. Very unique. I love when luxury brands collab with like Nike or some type of like normal shoe because they make their stuff look really unique. These sneakers were definitely the grand finale of this video. And on the side of the sneaker, it does have this tag right here with their tongue. Usually there's something in the middle right here, but it's actually on the side. So it's gonna look like that. Just says Louis Vuitton with the Nike swoosh in the air. And the back of the sneaker has gold writing that says Louis Vuitton. I don't know why I say it like that. I be saying it like with the accent sometimes. You know, it just be coming out. Like my accent comes out whenever it wants to come out. My little fake British accent. Whoa, that sounded like country and like Australian mixed with an English British accent. I'd be embarrassing myself. I'd be cutting like half of this video off because I just be like so cringy. I'm just like, ooh, That is all for this luxury designer sneaker haul, boot haul, shoe haul with a try on, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.